We're here with one of the participating teams here at the Chairman's Cup Philippines 2026 together with the coaching staff of Tacloban, Coach Justin. So Coach, kamusta yung experience? Ano yung naging challenge ninyo at naging motivation nyo sa players throughout the tournament?
Good morning, everyone. Para sa amin na first timer pa lang na sumali dito, masasabi talaga namin na well-organized yung league. Tsaka sa aming team, mga bata pa. So, exposure, experience, yung kailangan lang namin dito. Siguro, parang ano na lang namin na parang bonus na lang pag makapanalo kami, pero yung inaano talaga namin na maka-experience or experience at exposure yung mga kabataan namin dun sa Tacloban na naglalaro dito. Ditong Liga ng Chairman's Cup Philippines.
Ayun, thank you Coach Justin. Baka may gusto ka rin pasalamatan doon sa supporters niyo back from Tacloban.
Thank you to the parents of the players and also to the coaches, especially to Coach Manolo Cabibian, Coach Kevin Garcia, Coach Christopher Sangkao, and also to my family. Thank you for supporting the team of the family and also the parents, especially the parents of the players, because they give their full trust and support to us coaches in Tacloban.
Yeah. Thank you Coach Just.
Thank you.
And we're also here with one of the players from Tacloban, Johan Duran. So Johan, kamusta yung experience together with your teammates? Kamusta yung experience nyo throughout the tournament together with the coaching staff also?
Yung first na napansin ko dito, since first time namin, ibang level yung physicality at yung intensity dito at yung competitiveness. At dahil first time namin, parang nawala kami, parang na
Shock na yun.
na-shock.
Nabigla.
Parang nabigla.
Oh.
At so far, thankful din ako sa mga coaches namin, sa parents, dahil nakapunta kami dito. At grabe yung opportunity ng Chairman's Cup.
Ayun, thank you Johan. Baka may gusto ka rin pasalamatan sa iyong mga family, friends, and supporters doon sa Tacloban.
Hi nanay, hi tatay, thank you. At sa Abda, thank you. Kay Coach Noli Kabibihan, Coach Justin, Coach Kevin, Coach Christopher, at sa lahat ng mga taga-Tacloban, thank you.
Ayun, thank you Johan.
Thank you.
Thank you Coach Justin. At once again, this is our Sylvain Segudo reporting for Chairman's Cup Philippines 2026.